Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and use SendGrid SMTP to send emails directly from your own email client or application. First, let's talk about why you might use SMTP. If you have an app or website that sends transactional emails like order confirmations or password resets, using SendGrid's SMTP can ensure those emails reach the inbox reliably. To get started, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Settings. Click on API Keys. Now create an API key and save it somewhere secure. You'll need this in the next step. Next, open your email client or application and locate the SMTP settings. For the SMTP server, use smtp.sendgrid.net. And for the username, enter API key. Yes, literally API key. For the password, paste the API key you created earlier. The port will be 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Test your configuration by sending a test email. If everything's set up correctly, the email should be sent through SendGrid's SMTP server, ensuring higher deliverability rates and reliable email delivery. Using SendGrid's SMTP is a great way to improve the performance of your transactional emails without much hassle. Let me know in the comments if you run into any issues, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.